Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today I would like to talk about Google Documents or Google Docs with mobile phone, and I would like to give to you the tutorial how the way you can make your documents become restricted to be accessed by everyone, so you will save for the documents that you have. So you just need to open the Google Docs application, and then you just need to open the documents that you want to restrict here. I already opened my documents, and then you just need to go click the three small dot on the top right corner of the documents, and you just need to like scrolling down until you find this share and export. Just go click it, and now you just need to go click right away the manage access, and then you just need to go click anyone with the link here. If you want to make this restricted, so you just need to change from anyone with the link into restricted. So now your document is already restricted from any access, so you can like feel safe right now. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this videos a lot. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.